The alt sandwich, your new lunch obsession. Ready to elevate your sandwich game? We're diving into the delicious world of the ALT, the avocado, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. Get ready for a flavor explosion. The alt isn't just another sandwich. It's a symphony of textures and tastes. Creamy avocado, crisp lettuce, and juicy tomato combine for a satisfying bite. It's simple, yet incredibly delicious. This sandwich is a celebration of fresh ingredients. Each component plays a vital role in creating the perfect balance. It's a vegetarian delight that even meat lovers will adore. Choosing the right avocado is crucial. You want one that's ripe but not mushy. Gently press near the stem. It should yield slightly. A perfectly ripe avocado will be easy to slice and spread. Its creamy texture is what makes the ALT so irresistible. Don't underestimate the power of a good avocado. Lettuce provides essential crunch and freshness. Crisp varieties like romaine or iceberg work best. Avoid softer lettuces that wilt easily. Wash and thoroughly dry your lettuce before assembling the sandwich. Excess moisture can make the bread soggy. A good crunch is key to a satisfying ALT. Opt for ripe, juicy tomatoes bursting with flavor. Heirloom varieties offer unique tastes and colors. Slice them thickly for maximum impact. Consider salting your tomato slices lightly. This helps draw out excess moisture and intensifies their flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of tomatoes. The bread you choose is the foundation of your ALT. A sturdy bread like sourdough or whole wheat holds up well. Toasting adds extra texture and flavor. Consider grilling your bread for a smoky flavor. A light toasting prevents the sandwich from becoming soggy. The right bread elevates the entire experience. Start by spreading mashed avocado on one slice of bread. This creates a creamy base for the other ingredients. Don't be shy with the avocado. Next, layer on your lettuce and tomato slices. Arrange them evenly for a balanced bite. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Want to take your ALT to the next level? Consider adding a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. A drizzle of balsamic glaze adds sweetness and tang. Sprouts can add extra crunch and nutrients. A smear of pesto provides a burst of herbaceous flavor. Feel free to customize your alt to your liking. Making a vegan ALT is easy. Ensure your bread is vegan-friendly. Most sourdough and whole wheat breads are naturally vegan. Consider adding vegan mayonnaise or aioli for extra creaminess. Nutritional yeast can add a cheesy flavor. The possibilities are endless. Explore different variations of the ALT. Add bacon for a BLT-inspired twist. Include cucumber for extra crunch and freshness. Try different types of cheese for added flavor. Experiment with different spreads like hummus or baba ganoush. The alt is a versatile canvas for your culinary creativity. The alt is perfect for lunch, a light dinner, or a picnic. Serve it with a side of chips, salad, or soup. It pairs well with iced tea, lemonade, or a crisp white wine. Cut the sandwich in half for easy handling. Consider wrapping it in parchment paper for a portable meal. Enjoy your delicious creation. The alt reminds us that simple ingredients can create extraordinary flavors. It's a testament to the power of fresh, high-quality produce. Take the time to savor each bite. This sandwich is a celebration of mindful eating. It's a reminder to appreciate the simple pleasures in life. Enjoy the process of creating and savoring your ALT. We want to see your alt masterpieces. Share your photos and recipes on social media using #AltSandwich. Let's spread the alt love. Inspire others with your creative variations and serving suggestions. Together, we can elevate the ALT to new heights. We can't wait to see what you create. Now it's your turn. Gather your ingredients and create your own delicious ALT sandwich. Experiment with different variations and find your perfect combination. Don't forget to share your creations with us. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Let's get cooking.